To switch off and restart your iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, first of all, swipe down from the top right corner to open this control panel, and after that at the top you can see a small power icon. Just hold it for a second like this and then release it, and as you can see you can easily slide to the right hand side to switch off your device. Let's see one more method by which you can easily power off your device. To power off, simply press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Volume up button is placed in the middle right here and the power button is on the right hand side. Just hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time, then release it once you see this window, and you can easily power off by sliding to the right hand side like this. However, to restart your device, just press the power button which is placed at the right hand side for 2 to 3 seconds like this, and you can see Apple icon right here. Once you see this icon, just release the power button and your device will be restarted. So that's how you can easily switch off and restart your iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.